Hey, so tonight we're having a few people over. We're having nachos, and instead of the normal sour cream and salsa that most people make with it, I've decided to make my own. I don't know if you would call it guacamole or avocado dip or whatever the case may be, but it's my own recipe, so there are really no measurements. The only thing extra that I'm using are some items from Sunset Gourmet, which my wife sells on her website. Alrighty, so here we go. Okay, so here we go. In the bowl already I have 2 avocados. We're going to cut into this one, show you how I do it. Be very careful. Okay, and twist, you got the pit. To get the pit out, depending on how ripe it is, just do that. There you go. Into your garbage container. Then we're going to scoop out the avocado like so. You want to get all the good meatiness out. And the other half. And get it in there. Okay. There you have 3 avocados. To that, we're going to chop up some garlic. Now I am using 2 cloves. I like a lot of garlic, but the seasoning that I'm going to be adding has garlic in it as well. There you go. 2 cloves of garlic in. Okay. To that, we are going to add a little bit of salt. Excuse my sniffiness. Some lemon juice. Yes, I'm using the squeezable lemon. Going to add Sunset Gourmet garlic pepper with a twist of lime. This is the reason why I didn't add any fresh ground pepper. You're going to put in as much as you want. And I always add a little bit of this too. Also from Sunset Gourmet. Mediterranean Greek herb blend. Just a little bit. Okay. Secret ingredient that I add, which to some people would think, well, why is he adding that? Is ginger. A little bit of ginger, about half a teaspoon, like so, in. And then use either a potato masher or a fork and start mashing it. And I will be changing to a fork here in a second. Just like so. Actually, I'm going to use a spoon. Got flying all over the place. Scrape out as much as you can. And start stirring it. You obviously want everything to be okay and mixed thoroughly. It's good to have chunks. Now, like I said in the opening, you can call this guacamole, you can call it avocado dip. I know for guacamole some things are missing, but this is my version, and this is the way I like it. There you go. And I can guarantee, oh, it tastes so good too. Now what I'm going to do is, because we're having company come over tonight, I am going to actually scrape this into a container and put it in the fridge for a few hours to let all the flavors come together. And meld and just get oh so yummy. There you go. Probably one of the easiest, simplest things you'll ever make. Now, just like that, put it in the fridge for a few hours, 2 to 3, before company comes over. When company comes over, put it into a bowl or a dish. Goes good with nachos. Excuse me. Last night I had this with some steak. It goes good with chicken and pretty much any sort of Greek meal you want to make. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed. This was a short, quick video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will also have links to these products in the description of the video on my wife's website at Sunset Gourmet. So again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the videos, and you'll have a new one soon. Bye for now.